I'm doing a Spanish and Latin American drumming workshop today. Well, the roots are in samba. You don't need any experience to do it because basically we just hand out the drums to everybody. I cook up a little rhythm and just minute by minute people get better and better, and we arrange kind of a fantastic lively samba piece of drumming.
We learned about percussion instruments, different cultures. There was a bit of language. Spanish is the language we're studying in school, so it helped a lot.
Well, the thing is, Spanish is a very accessible language. If I'm giving the instruction in Spanish, it's amazing how much Spanish people know already. They don't really have an idea that they know so much, but once I'm doing the instructions in Spanish, they get it all, and they're always a little bit better by the end of it.
Thanks to the workshops, I think I'll keep Spanish next year and do more languages in the future.